I mean, speaking about food again, you're very lucky Danny isn't here today, by the way, because she loves food. She's 1000th Italian, so she should be all talking to you about Sicily and things. Do you guys use the barbecue? I've noticed that you've got an old barbie out the back. Is that part of the Italian kind of food process?
We don't use it as much as we'd like to, but yeah, definitely eating outdoors, all coming together as a family.
What sort of food would you cook? Let's say if we, gave you a new barbecue.
Oh, anything you like, but probably steak, nice juicy ribeye or something, some roasted veggies.
Okay, keep coming. Eggplant,
capsicum.
Yeah, some Italian wine.
Definitely some soup. Yeah, definitely a nice glass of wine.
Well, look, I think, what we can do is maybe look at upgrading and beefing up your barbecue experience out there. A bit of a mini sort of kitchen maybe, a bit of a fridge to put some drinks in. Are you happy to let me loose and work some Healthy Homes magic? And
Definitely. That sounds amazing.
Thank you very much. I'll get to work then. You guys go and make some snacks or something. I'll do the hard work.
Okay,
Thank you. So I think we should introduce Alex and Trish to something that's going to completely change the way that they barbecue and will totally give them a whole new foodie experience on that grill. It's something that I've been using all the time at home. It's just fantastic. So it is barbecue technology that uses infrared heat to evenly and perfectly cook all of your food on that barbecue. It is amazing, and it's from Crossray. I reckon this is the perfect place to put a bit of a barbecue setup for these guys here. It's nice and shady, there's a bit of breeze that comes through. So we're gonna put in this mini outdoor kitchen from Crossray. So this thing's fantastic. It's got a drop-in 2-burner gas barbecue that has all that technology we were talking about with the infrared heat. It has got storage space underneath in the cabinets, and it's even got an outdoor fridge which will keep your drinks cool and your food cool before you cook it, of course. Now this particular unit is all designed for a small courtyard or a larger balcony, and I think it's going to look perfect here. All right, so the plan is we're going to put an outdoor kitchen here for you. So I think this might be the perfect spot. You happy with one here?
Yes, that will be amazing there.
Yeah. So the plan is it's got storage space underneath. It's also got a fridge, which you're going to put in for you as well.
That'll be fantastic.
Yes.
Won't have to run in and out to get the drinks.
Exactly. And it's black, so it'll kind of like match the vibe of your house as well.
Beautiful.
And it's got all that technology I'm going to talk to you about, which is like an infrared flame. So you know, like the things you see in kebab shops sometimes, they've got those red heat strips.
Yep. Yeah.
It's like that, powered by gas.
Okay.
And it kind of like bounces the heat rather than using a naked flame to cook your food. It radiates. It's basically infrared heat.
Oh, wow.
It's going to change your world. The food is so delicious because the moisture stays in. It's not charcoaled out of the meat or the veggies.
Beautiful. Sounds really good. I'm really excited.
So remind me again what things you might cook on this barbecue.
Oh, well, being Italian, we like our meat.
Grilled fish? Are you a fish family?
Yeah, we do. We eat a bit of fish.
Yeah.
If Alex catches any.
Where? Where would he catch fish? Coles? I'm not stupid. Anyway, here we go. So we're almost ready. So we'll probably come back a little bit later in the show and we'll do some cooking. How do you feel about that?
Sounds great.
Cheers. Ciao. Prego. Well, earlier on in the show, we got to work on upgrading and supersizing and magnifying our beautiful homeowner, Trish and Alex, outdoor cooking experience. And what do you reckon?
It's pretty good.
I'm
pretty excited.
This is incredible. So this is the mini outdoor kitchen from Crossray. And this is what all the fuss is around. Now, remember I told you that it has the infrared heat strips, right? It's still using gas, but those ceramic burners in there just give such a beautiful, even, gorgeous, natural cooking method to cook your foods. Right, when you have those fancy grills and they've got those heat strips, that's essentially what you're cooking with. So that helps you avoid all the dangerous flare-ups from dripping fat in all your food. So we've got an outdoor fridge there, which I've noticed you started stocking. No Italian wine yet, but anyway, there's cupboard space here and underbench space as well. So there's plenty of storage to put your bits and pieces in.
Wonderful.
I think you should show me how to cook some beautiful Italian food. Just so happens that I have some chicken, Your Majesty.
Lovely, thank you.
And some steaks. So The thing with this now, with this lid, we'll let those cook. If we close this now, you can alter your settings with all your gas controls here, and you can cook a roast in here. So you can go from, probably will balance out at about 150 degrees all the way up to about 350 plus is where you'd probably find that you're holding that temperature inside the wood. So it's great for doing like slow cooked lamb and things. So we'll let that cooking. Now, see this? So this, you can get a, where's a rotisserie? So there's a kit which you can buy here, and it's powered by electricity, and it will just slowly roast
Oh,
a chook,
perfect.
for example, or even just vegetables or skewer, or anything you can think of in there. What would you use that for, do you reckon?
Oh, I think I might put some lamb on there. Skewer it up.
Make sure you invite me.
Seasoning? Oh, definitely.
Stack some of those on there, we're almost done. If you've never cooked with a Crossray before, do yourself a favour. This is such a game changer. It smells so good. This is the mini outdoor kitchen. You can also get a full-scale outdoor kitchen and just the barbecue units alone as well. You might find all that you're looking for on their website, which is where we found them. Just head to crossray.com.au. Are you ready to eat? A beautiful Italian family. Thanks for all your love that you've given us today. Appreciate it. We are all very full.